In order for us to do what we're trying to do, we have to be obsessed with and really have to be arrogant about having the sense of possibilities that are open to us and that are not open to others. If we didn't feel that way, if we didn't have even a little sense of really understanding where the future is going, if we were too conscious of the pitfalls and too conscious of the obstacles, we might lose our conviction. We really do have the sense of really being obsessed with it and really believe in that we know how to do it better than everybody else. And that may seem arrogant, but if we didn't feel that way, we wouldn't be able to pull it off. And it's because we feel that way, we're going to.
We're living in a very transformative time. People used to witness one big technological revolution at a time. Today, on the other hand, we have several new technologies evolving at once. There used to be competition in electricity between AC and DC, standards battle for the railroads, and rivalry of electric versus gasoline cars, all happening in different time frames. Today, we see dozens of platform battles happening simultaneously in Internet of Things, payments and banking, 3D printing, cars, and mobile ecosystems. Adding to that, we are already seeing governments implementing e-residency and developing identification technology for mobile platforms. And you know, all this changes the way we live forever. However, all this also makes decision-making a lot harder, and we are only in the beginning of the journey. Keeping this in mind, we are dedicating our careers on helping people and companies use new technologies to create significant value. We will do this by building value-driven products suited for a mobile-first world. We challenge to be something more than mediocre, and it's our passion to make people's lives more meaningful.
Smartphones are proving to be as important advancement in our lives as personal computers. As smartphones gain more and more distribution, this creates a lot of new and scalable opportunities. Just next is the wearables technology that is just starting to take off to be the next big thing. With smart devices getting more and more abundant, from smartphones to smart cars, wearables, and smart homes, this generates tons of data that can be used for good. Combining smart devices with data and machine learning algorithms can really help people excel more in all areas of their lives. At the same time, companies can learn much faster how to create more value for the users by analyzing precise usage data. Companies who are able to make data-driven decisions will eventually prevail. At Rubik Solutions, we are driven to help companies do just that.
I believe that in our modern world, it is mandatory to do everything for a cause. We need a reason to achieve perfection. Now, this reason is something so strong that whenever you think about it, you get this warm, fuzzy feeling inside. For me, this cause is to help people understand that technology can help us save time and ease our lives. To create such tools, we must ask the right questions, and this is actually where it all begins. Each question answered leads us closer to the perfected ways of simplifying our lives. I don't do things just because I have to. I design the world around me because I want to be a part of the better world.
If we can save 1 minute a day in every person's life on planet, spent on dealing with life's hassles, we have already saved thousands of lifetimes. Time that people can use for making their life more meaningful, more enjoyable, more happy. For me, this is what a great technology really stands for what we stand for.